Before watch our video, please subscribe.
We like to think we know everything about our pets, but it often seems like they lead a double life. Half a second is all they need to leave the yard and disappear, leaving us in the dark. Where do they go? And how can we guarantee their safety? Introducing Findster Home, the easiest way to keep track of your pets even when you're away. Findster Home continuously monitors your pet's movements, so if they suddenly decide to explore the outside world, the whole family will be immediately notified. No more playing the guessing game. Whoever's closest just needs to follow the trail right to little Houdini. They better get used to you foiling their plans again, and again, and again. Abracadabra. But assuring our best friend's well-being goes beyond keeping track of their whereabouts. Findster Home monitors your pet's activity levels 24/7, helping you make sure they're living their best life. And because we have no way of asking our buddies how their day went, you'll receive regular reports to keep you updated on their latest adventures. They say home is where the heart is, and our pets are the key to both. It's only right that we keep them as close as possible. Protect your pets and increase your peace of mind with Findster Home.
Hi there, my name is Boris and I'm the leader of the Findster team. You've probably seen my face on the cover of a magazine or two. I took over after Findster's previous Kickstarter campaign was a success. It was backed by thousands of supporters from over 60 countries who received the product and helped improve it with their feedback. I recognized Findster's potential and thought they needed more focus. We're now working on Findster Home, a new product which allows the whole family to monitor your pet's location and activity whenever you want, wherever you want. Best of all, it's still free of monthly fees and requires no cell coverage. Now that's what I call a win. As you can see, I've got things under control over here, and it's all coming together. All we need is your help. Support and share our project and help us make Findster Home a reality. I promise it'll be worth it.
This is Emily. She's not a morning person. Emily likes to sleep. As she is usually very short on time, Emily fills the coffee in a reusable cup. Emily has problems with the reusable cups because of the small drinking opening. You can't assess how hot the drink is, and when you drink it, it burns your tongue. The small drinking opening is a real disaster. Every coffee enthusiast loves the aroma that flows into your nose just before you take a sip of coffee. With the small drinking opening, you can forget about that enjoyment. What you don't forget is your nose, because the nose is always in the way while drinking. Sometimes you feel like Pinocchio, even if you've never my coffee on the go. Many people have made the exact same wish, Emily. That's why Concept Iris has addressed this problem and developed a new type of reusable cup, the IRISgo. Here, Emily, test the IRISgo. With its innovative, patented closure system, IRISgo solves the problems of existing reusable cups. When it's open, the IRISgo has a large drinking opening. Your tongue is as safe as it would be drinking from a ceramic cup at home. The wonderful coffee aroma can flow into your nose, but the nose never gets in the way of drinking. That's exactly what a nose is for. And best of all, this baby is absolutely leak-proof. Oh, and in case you need to clean your IRISgo, just open it and put it in the dishwasher. How easy is that? With IRISgo, not only can you enjoy a great cup of coffee, but also tea, water, beer, gin, or get weird with it, just put your favorite snacks in. With IRISgo, you can have a good time with friends, do sports, study, travel, or just enjoy the moment. At the beginning, there will be 2 different cup sizes and a small choice of colors. The more successful the campaign, the more choices we want to offer. It may even be possible to choose the color of silicone membrane yourself, or to print the name of your sweetheart on the cup. It all depends on how successful the campaign will be. Here you can see the Pilatus, a mountain located next to Lucerne, a city in Switzerland. The IRISgo cup was developed next to this beautiful mountain at the grounds of the Lucerne University of Applied Sciences and Arts. Fabian and Manuel had the idea of IRISgo about 3 years ago. The 2 friends had no idea where this trip would lead them. After a short time, the 2 friends knew they had to expand their team to reach their goals. So they added industrial engineers, mechanical engineers, and industrial designers to their team. The first step was to analyze the problem and the market. The next step was rapid prototyping, printing CAD designs with 3D printers, testing them, and making adjustments. IRISgo focuses on quality in design and usability. Many designs were developed in countless workshops in this garden until the team was satisfied. Through the cooperation with the Institute of Innovation and Technology, different machines can be used, for example robots, to test the durability of the product. The team around IRISgo doesn't need the money to develop the product first. The product is already finished. The money is used directly for the production of subs, so the producers are ready. We put our heart and soul into the creation, and now IRISgo is ready for the global market. We spent 3 years of our lives creating the best and most convenient reusable cup the world has ever seen.
Imagine a wearable device that is made for you, with personal recommendations and data, and that you'll love wear night and day because of its customization possibilities, classic style, and featherweight. That's why we created Circular. In the past few years, we've seen a lot of excitement for wearable devices, but they also come with flaws. They're too bulky, too gadget-looking, they lack personalization, or they're giving you raw data without telling you how to act upon it. And that gives us an overall bad experience with wearable devices and makes us question their usefulness. And we're convinced that we haven't unleashed their true powers yet. So we want to change here at Circular the way we see them forever. Introducing Circular, the most advanced wellness smartphone. The idea was to create a device that would extend personal capabilities. From the beginning of your day by waking up smoothly with smart alarm to combat sleep inertia for good, to your sports session with deep activity metrics and unique insights, to even getting notifications directly on your finger, all the way to breaking down your sleep. Our main focus is to make sense of this data. The metrics are compared to your own averages and baselines to create very personal suggestions. For those who believe a ring should be first and foremost a fashion accessory, we conceive Circular with beauty. We've designed changeable outer shells made of polished titanium to match every occasion. Fancy dinner? Simply slide a classy outer shell on. Going for a run? Choose the BLACKTEA outer shell. Possibilities are endless. And for the self-quantifiers out there who might question data quality, well, we love exploring new biometric correlations as much as you do. Our sleep and activity analysis have advanced components such as HRV, energy level scoring, and advanced tiredness calculations. You'll be empowered with data like never before. The Circular ring is water resistant, scratch proof, has built-in data storage, and is only 4 grams. Paired with the Circular app, customized features include a smart alarm clock, intuitive sleep analysis, activity analysis, and alerts. And there's a lot to come in the near future, and the Ring is hardware ready for future over-the-air updates. We've combined the wonders of miniaturization with the magic of machine learning, state-of-the-art prediction models, high-end design, and the most packed and tiny PCB in a wearable device.
F breath.